Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Vanessa. Thank you for coming back if you're already subscribed, or welcome to my channel if you are new. And well, I just got back from visiting my family in Miami, and I had my vaccine shots for the interview yesterday, so I finally have some time to film. Today, well, I washed my hair. After a very needed wash, I washed my hair, and some of you guys commented that they wanted to see how I dry my hair. It's a very easy, very lazy process, but I just figured why not filming it, since you know I should probably wash my hair this week. So yeah, if you want to see how I get my curls like this, very easy, very fast, pretty much, you know, like stay tuned. The only thing you're gonna need is a t-shirt. Yep, a t-shirt. And I don't have a t-shirt, so I stole one from my husband. So if you want to know how or what method I use to dry my hair, roll the video, I guess. I got my tetanus shot, and this arm is like in pain. Like I cannot sleep, I cannot do anything, but roll the video, guys. Let's do it. So I just washed my hair. I already applied my gel. Of course, you know, I use We Dad Climate Control. So yeah, I just washed it straight out of the shower. I'm gonna go get my t-shirt. I used to use a microfiber towel, but the one that I had started to become a little too small for my length of my hair. So best option actually is a t-shirt. I've been stealing my husband's t-shirts for the last couple of weeks, and it actually gives me a better result. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna go run into the bedroom and get that t-shirt. So here's a t-shirt, guys. Just a regular short sleeve t-shirt. My husband likes to use them muscle shirts, but if you have a long sleeve one, that's perfect. I'm just folding the neck part and then the length part. Here's a close-up of it, just so that it fits better in my head. So a little bit that area right there, and then just like so. Now I'm just gonna try to put all my hair in the middle of the shirt, just like that, and get the bottom part towards the nape of my neck, and then just tie a knot with the sleeves. That's why if you have a longer sleeve, it's even better, but I just do with what I have. And then secure it that is tight, comfortable. And this is how you look. Yeah, I know it's funny, but we have to do. There we go. So that's pretty much it. Now I'm gonna I usually leave it for like 10 minutes or so. Yeah, I have a lot of acne, I know, but trying Curology, by the way, and I'll let you know how it goes. So really now what you're gonna do is anything you want. I leave it on for 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Yeah, just watching TV. I'm watching Netflix right now, but you could either do that or you could do your makeup like I do whenever I need to go out and don't want to look crazy. After the 20-30 minutes have passed, you're just gonna take out the t-shirt, and I'm just gonna scrunch with it with like the wet part of the t-shirt to give it some moisture again. This can cause a little bit of frizz, but I don't really care about it. If you want, you can use a satin or a silk scarf. That'll definitely help. But honestly, I just want to dry it and start my day. I don't really care for a little bit of frizz, to be honest. Yeah. Then you're just gonna, wait for it to dry. And the best way, if you want some volume and balance and, like movement, just whip your hair back and forth like the song. But just try not to touch it with your hands and just whip it from side to side every 5-10 minutes, like so. Intermission, you guys, while my hair is drying. I hate eating lips. I love lip gloss, but I hate eating my hair. Anyways, while my hair is drying and I'm flipping it from side to side so that I can get more volume, I just want to tell you something, guys. I just want to say thank you. Thank you so much, because we reached that 1,000 subscribers, and I can't believe it. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you for the comments. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for disliking. Thank you for the critics, because like, I'm just starting. Editing is not easy. I'm learning a lot, but I'm taking everything into account so that I ensure I can make better videos for you guys and just better, quality and content. But I have a lot of ideas to shoot. I have other videos that don't involve hair. Wait, that was weird. Hair. In case you would like to see them. Yeah, I'm excited. And I'm very happy, just because I've always wanted to do YouTube ever since I was like 16 or 17. I remember I started watching it, and I wish I had started earlier. I was always very shy, but it's funny. And I was telling my husband, I've always wanted to do YouTube, and I was teased because of my hair when I was in high school. So it's funny that I'm doing YouTube now, thanks to the thing that I got teased when I wanted to do YouTube and I wanted to start it, and people are liking it, and it's just amazing. So I just wanted to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, because it's fun. It's fun talking to you guys. Just like amazing that people from, I don't know, all the way from Romania or Canada, well, Canada's right here, but still, like from Italy or from France are watching me, and I'm like, oh my god, I'm just like, it's the coolest thing ever. But I just want to say thank you, guys. Thank you so much. But yeah, let's keep waiting for this to dry. Ooh, it got bright here. Ta-da! This is it, guys. My hair is, it's God, I never learned. It's 2:28. I actually was making lunch. Yeah, 2:28. I was making lunch, so now it's done and I'm ready to have some food because I'm starving. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that it took me an hour and a half for my hair to fully dry. You can see my curls. You can see my little baby. Well, this part is, well, not actually, I'm lying. This is still a little damp, but I just wanted to show you that it's like 90, maybe 90% dried. And you can see my little curls and a little, I don't know, layers. A little layers. Of course, since I was cooking and I was like, well, the chicken was hopefully trying not to get it burned. This area is dried faster. Like, trying to cook and chop and, moving from side to side. But yeah, an hour and 20 minutes later, it's 90% dry. You can see the definitions right there. I know. My hair has grown so much, and the color situation is not good. I honestly don't know if I should just like wait up, because the change is kind of very noticeable, but I'm kind of liking it. I don't know if I want to do it again, like the color, or just wait a little longer so that it's like more, because it matches my eyebrows better. So I don't know if I should wait or just go ahead and have my roots fixed. This is what I do to dry my hair, dry my curls, dry my waves. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you are already subscribed, and if you're not, please click that link below. I don't know if it's here or here, but somewhere there. I appreciate that so much. It would help me a lot. I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited just because I'm happy. Woo. But yeah, that's the key. Pretty much just flip your hair. Okay. Flip your hair all the way through. And just have patience. I know I don't like having like my wet back. That's why I love this method with the t-shirt. And it's easy. If you don't have one, you know, that you can like use for your hair drying, you can just go to Goodwill and buy one for $4 and I don't know, steal one from your boyfriend or husband like I did. But yeah, thank you guys. Have a great, amazing week, and I'll see you next time.